Dance, Laz. Laz, dance. Dance.
I'll pull this beat right over.
Ready? Dance. Crazy.
Is he listening to something? Yeah, it's loud.
This is the best video I've ever got of him. Because if he sees this camera, he throws all the stuff down most of the time.
Yeah. What is he listening to, Ian? What do you think it is?
He's listening to like club beat. Some off the Swiss House mix. He doesn't like anything hard except for Biggie.